so my next step is putting it all together. So I have all my other pieces cut out. So what I'm gonna first do is add all of the petals to the back of my center. So you can use glue if you have it. If you don't have glue, tape will work too, and I'll show you how to add it with tape. But I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna pick just maybe some of my smaller petals first and put them kind of in the center. And I'm gonna go around, maybe leave a tiny little space between some of my petals. But I think it might look good. And you might wanna lay these out first to see how it starts looking and just kind of slide them underneath. But even overlapping some different sizes and different petals might look really nice. So I'll continue that process. I can flip it over and kind of show you how it's looking. And let's say I don't have glue, I can use tape. So any kind, clear tape, this is just what I had near me. So I can tape on some of my petals as well. And I might maybe lay a few together first and then tape it. So this is my project completed, but I will pull off a few of these items to show you. So I put everything together and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the options that you can do. So now once I have this, I'm gonna glue my stem down, but I didn't glue my leaves completely down. I wanna be able to kind of bend them and fold them up so they look like they're coming alive and coming out of the page. Same thing with my sunflower here. So my sunflower, I'm gonna glue the back or tape it. I'm gonna set this on the top of my stem, and then I wanna fold up some of my sunflower petals so that it looks three-dimensional. Like this is also coming alive out of the page. Then I could either be done with this project or I had made a couple extra stems. So I made a second sunflower. You could make a smaller one, two big ones. You can kind of add how much ever you'd like, but keep in mind we still want to see your inspired Starry Night background. But I kind of liked this sunflower to go maybe off the page a little bit or down here. So I might glue this one down here and pull up the pieces so it stands out. Maybe I add a second stem, and then I would add a flower that was obviously full, not half. Or maybe I add like a little cattail. I know that that isn't in Starry Night or the sunflower pages, but I think it fits enough. The other thing that I thought could be interesting is taking this cypress. So this is in the Starry Night painting, the large cypress tree. You could put that on there and attach it some places. I might want to make it a little bit bigger. Otherwise, it doesn't necessarily fit well. But that would be interesting too. If you didn't want to just do the sunflower, you could add a few more elements from either the sunflower painting itself or Starry Night itself and create and show off a little bit more of your creativity and artistic skills if you want to add a little bit more. Once you're completed, then you're going to take a photo of this just with the artwork. So I want you to crop all your outside edges and have just the work showing. You'll submit this, and then there's 2 questions that you will also submit. And the questions are, number 1, what was the most successful part of your painting that you felt you did the best job on? And number 2, what was an area that was difficult, but or an area that you would maybe change if you could redo this project, or you could change a little bit if you had more time. That is in, those 2 questions are in the Dropbox for this project, but I'll also attach a little bit of like a little worksheet questionnaire. All right, we're excited to see what you guys come up with.